Hello everybody, this is a short picnic vlog
Hello
of Indian Mang,
everybody, a
Darjeeling.
small vlog.
We went for a picnic to Green Tea Valley Eco Resort in Milling via Sukhia Pokri. We left at around 9 a.m. from Darjeeling and reached Milling at around 10:30. We were 9 of us, including a driver who hailed from Kawas's place. Green Tea Valley Resort is in Milling via Sukhia Pokri. The way to the resort was really beautiful, except for some areas the road was a bit